Hey, my name is Chad. On this channel we like to make stuff, and on today's Maker Montage we're going to do another custom rustic wooden flag for my favorite YouTube channel, Demolition Ranch. And afterwards we're going on a little road trip from Virginia to Texas to deliver it straight to Bunker Branding and maybe to Matt himself. We'll see. So, if you've been following the vlog series of this channel, you'll know that I'm retiring from the U.S. Army in less than a year now, and you will also know that San Antonio is our likely destination. So, we've made a trip, starting tomorrow, to head down there and explore the area. We've never been there. Crazy, right? Look at some properties, and I just thought it would be a great opportunity to put this flag together for my favorite YouTube series, Demolition Ranch. Now, people make and send stuff to Matt Carricker all the time, and I thought this would be a great opportunity. He has a store there where he does t-shirts, such as this one. So I will at least take it to the store and drop it off for him. If we're lucky, maybe I'll get to meet him and hand this off personally. As we're proceeding through this montage, I ask that you pay particularly close attention to the music in the background. Now, these songs come off a new album from a guy I went to high school with named Ben Schmidt. If you like what you hear, then go ahead and check him out everywhere where you can stream music. I will leave his links in the description below.
everyone just to break their hearts. And now, dancing springtime in the wind, you've come back just to do it again. 'Cause you left me begging, bleeding, lying on the floor, Valentine. I just can't love you anymore. Heartless, empty, alone in my bed, Valentine. You crushed my love, now it's dead. Now it's
So we have some people here working at the bunker today. Not many though. Wanted to say thank you to the Demolition member who sent this thing, all wooden, handmade flag. Obviously not all handmade. That looks like computer did that, but dude, it's freaking awesome. Thank you. And here he is, CMRCustom. Oh, is that him? Right there. Thanks, man. youthebomb.com.
Hey, bud.